How are you all doing? Ralphy here, Ralfy Customs. Another early start for me, look. It's pitch black through the roof lights. And everywhere's frozen fucking solid. It's proper cold. Anyway, let's crack on with this dyno frame. How are you all doing? Ralphy here, Ralfy Customs. Time to look at Dermot's XS1100 and do a few bits and bobs. I'm looking forward to this one. Let's get on it. How are you all doing? Ralphy here, Ralfy Customs. We're back on our Chris's Ironhead Sportster for a bit. And then we're going to get that little rigid dyno finished off. So I don't know if this video will cover all of that, but if not, you'll see the dyno in the next one. Let's get on with this fucking Ironhead. You're doing Ralphy here, Ralphy Customs. We're back on Dermot's XS1100 Euro Custom Rigid. Let's get the foot pegs done. How are you doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy Customs. Let's get the arse end of this exhaust done on the Triumph Chop number 2. How are you doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy Customs. I'm in the middle of a fucking hailstorm, and I don't mean the British fucking rock band. So it's really loud my end. Anyway, we're back on with our mixed Triumph. Let's get some bits made and get it all set up on the fucking jig light. How are you all doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy Customs. Back on our Jock's Dyno Chop. We're going to do some machining, try and sort his front end out. Not try. Sort his front end out. Yeah. How are you all doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy Customs. We're back on our mix swing arm chop. How are you all doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy Customs. We're back on our mix swing arm Triumph chop. It's been a week. It's been a bit of a jumbled up time for me, so excuse the delay in putting another video out. Anyway, we'll get back on and do this. How are you all doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy Customs. We're back on our Carl's Ironhead Sportster. Going to make a swing arm. So there you go, that's one of my 3 jobs done. We're not going to make a vlog that's an hour long, so you can follow along in the next edition by giving me a sub. Hit that notification bell, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Check out the bump in the description below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah? Happy day, see you in a bit. Big love everyone. How you all doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy Customs. Back again on this Triumph rigid frame. We're going to carry on with the engine mounts and look at getting the frame tubes in. Let's do it. How you all doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy Customs. It's a very, very cold morning here in the workshop. We'll get the heater on and we'll get on with Carl's High Neck Sports.